Here we are in 10209. It is a corner Excel suite on the Mardi Gras. And we're walking into the main room. Wet bar, TV, little desk area, plenty of power and USBs. Some storage over here, closet space. There we go. We are. Very nice bathroom. Glass enclosed shower. The rain head. Clothesline. There's a hand washing wand. There's these jets on the wall. And if you want to shave your legs, there's a bar for that too. But this is a very nice size shower. Got reading lights right here. A USB port. There's power right here. Very nice sized closet. There's one here, another here, and these automatic lights. More hangers than I know what to do with, which is great. I've got robes. And on this side, I've got a safe and some pull drawers, more hangers. All the things. And then I've got a doorway to the balcony. There's a table and chairs, some cushions, a windscreen, and then there's the front of the ship. And that's the door we just came out of. We'll just continue on around. There's a lounge chair. And then another couple of chairs and a table. And that is the corner Excel suite on Mardi Gras.